Hey folks, welcome back to The Tech Guy. It's been very long since I've made the last video because I've been busy with some other work, so I'm sorry for that. Now today in this video we are going to learn about one more solution of a common problem that might occur in your Windows. It can be any version of Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10. Now the problem I'm talking about is with the cursor. Sometime you might face this problem that your cursor is not moving anymore. So today in this video we are going to learn the same. We are going to solve this mouse cursor issue using the keyboard shortcuts. So without further ado, let's begin. In my case, you can see the cursor right there. I'm going to use keyboard shortcuts to rectify the problem. Now what I will do, I will press Windows plus X first, and as you can see you will get this list. Now what you need to do is press the down button and go to Device Manager. Then you have to press Enter. And here you will see the device manager and all the drivers you have on your device. Then you have to press tab first so that you can reach to the drivers list. Now what you need to do is you have to click on down arrow. Then you have to go to mice and other pointing devices. You have to click on right arrow. There you will find your mouse drivers. Now in my case I have two drivers of mouse. The first one is of the touchpad because I'm doing this in a laptop, and the second one is of the external mouse that I'm using right now. Now the problem might be with any of them, so you need to do the same process for both or for the single driver that you might have. You have to highlight that one, means select that one, then you have to press enter. There you will find this mouse properties. Then you have to press the tab button until you reach the tabs above. So currently I am in general, then I have to press right arrow, it will go to drivers, then I have to press tab again, it will highlight driver details, then again tab and it will highlight update driver. Now press enter on that one. Now you will see the two options here. The first one will be to search automatically for drivers using the internet. And the second one is to browse the computer for drivers. Now select the first one, search automatically for drivers and press enter. It will start searching for the drivers and then you should see something like this. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Now what you need to do is you have to close this one. You can press Alt F4 to close this. Now after this step, you might see that your cursor is working now. But if somehow it is not working still, you have to press tab again and go to uninstall device. Press the enter again and uninstall this driver. As you can see, the driver is gone and now I have only one driver here for touchpad. So what you need to do next is you have to press Alt and then it will highlight the tabs above. Right now I'm in file, I will press right to go to action. Pressing enter again, I will see the list here. Means the options under the action tab. Then I will press the down arrow and scan for hardware changes will be selected. Then I will press enter in that one and it will again install the drivers of the mouse. Now after this you should see your mouse working. But again if you see that it isn't resolved still, you might want to restart your system. Now what you need to do is you have to uninstall the driver again, doing the same step that I told you earlier. After uninstalling, you have to restart your system. To restart, press Windows plus X again, then use up and down arrows and go to the bottom here where you will see shutdown or sign out. Press right arrow and now you can restart your system using up and down arrow. And after restart, you will definitely see your mouse cursor working again. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please do like it, share it with your friends or anyone who needs it. Comment down below if you face any trouble. You can also comment down to suggest me what next video you want. Till then, take care of yourself and I will see you in the new video.